Here are 8 tips to make you a better photographer. Now, number 1 is use a flash. Make sure to use an off-camera flash because you can do a lot with it and it'll make your photos a lot better. Now, number 2 is get an extra battery. So whatever camera you have, make sure to get extra batteries so you're not running out and you don't have to go and charge during a shoot. Now, number 3 is get a flip out screen. A flip out screen is like this. Now, this will allow you to get really cool angles and allow you to see a lot more than having just a camera that does not have it. Number 4, shoot in a higher shutter speed. Now, higher shutter speed will allow you to get less blur and will allow your shots to be more focused. Number 5 is don't be afraid to go to higher ISOs. You're going to be limiting yourself if you shoot lower ISOs. Going higher means you can get really good shots even when you don't have a flash, and also will allow you to really test your editing skills. Number 6, you want to market the hell out of yourself. You have to do this to get clients. Now, number 7 is get good lenses. So make sure to invest in good glass because that's going to make your shots a lot better. And again, the lenses that you get will be determined by what you like shooting. And number 8, invest in good education and your website/online presence. This will make you get more clients and will do a lot more for your career than doing a lot of other networking stuff in general. But always keep networking regardless. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value out of it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. And if you want to follow me on any social media or see my other content or even contact me, be sure to look right over here. And if you want to see another cool video, be sure to look at this one over here or look at the channel for some other cool content. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you next video. Peace.